Ano nga ba ang pinagkaiba ng plug-in hybrid sa non-plug-in hybrid? So today, let's focus on this 2025 Kia Carnival Turbo Hybrid.
For my voice, said the style well legit. Cash in the back, clutch slipping, belly quit. Pull up in the whip, engine I'm like a grit. No time for this slip, homie. Now we about to dip.
Hello guys, good day. This is John Darrell Castro, a sales consultant from Kia Pampanga. And today, papakilala ko sa inyo si 2025 Kia Carnival Turbo Hybrid. Si Kia Carnival, of course, is equipped with our signature Tiger Nose grille with DRL and then ang kanyang full LED headlights. So, si Kia Carnival is high-tech na rin. Meron na rin siyang kanyang 360 camera and 360 sensor. Of course, si Kia Carnival is equipped with 1.6 turbocharged engine paired with electric motors and battery. So, sabi ko kanina, ano yung difference ni Kia Carnival from other plug-in hybrids, no? So, si Kia Carnival, of course, is a non-plug-in hybrid, which means it is a self-sufficient hybrid. So, ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Si Kia Carnival, as long as ginagamit mo siya habang tumatakbo siya, continuous charging si Kia Carnival. So, what that means is hindi mo na kailangan pumila sa mga charging stations all over the Philippines para i-charge yung kanyang battery. Kasi siya, habang ginagamit mo, tuloy-tuloy yung kanyang charging. Si Kia Carnival, since hybrid siya, even though self-sufficient hybrid siya, napakatipid niya sa gas. So, kung ikaw compare mo, saan ka ba mas magiging okay? Pipila ka para i-charge yung kanyang battery or si Kia Carnival na continuous mo ginagamit at the same time, tuloy-tuloy yung kanyang charging. So, this is the inside of Kia Carnival. As you can see, napaka-luxurious niya with oak top black color leathered seats, no? Sa kanyang features inside, hindi ka naman din mapapahiya sa features ni Kia Carnival. Of course, a full 12.3 TFT touchscreen display together with Apple Auto, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. It is wireless and multi-connection also. What that means is, kahit naka-connect na ako, pwede pa rin kumonect si passenger ko. Since being the top-of-the-line model to, it is equipped with charging pad, with wireless charging pad, no? Pagdating mo dito sa center console, you get this two cup holders, of course. Pagdating mo dito sa steering wheel mo, of course, it is also a leather steering wheel, heated of course. So kung medyo lamigin yung kamay mo, mas masarap siya mag-drive pag medyo mainit yung steering wheel mo. Of course, it is also equipped with smart cruise control. So smart cruise control is automatic mag-a-adjust si Carnival sa speed nung nasa harap mo to avoid any other collisions. Of course, you have the easier access for your infotainment also. And then any other features of the Kia Carnival. Safety, driver-assisted features. Kia Carnival also scored a 5-star on the NCAP rating, which is yun yung ginagamit natin sa Philippines to know if the vehicle is up to standards when it comes to safety. Of course, si Kia Carnival also has a dual sunroof for the front passenger and of course the rear passengers, no. It is also equipped with powered seats. So front driver is a memory seat. So ano yung memory seats? It means na you can set your driver position automatically. So si unit na yung bahala mag-adjust sa kung anong position yung fit pagdating sa'yo when it comes to driving. Also, it is also equipped with all the drive modes, no? Eco mode, smart mode, and sports mode. Kia Carnival is equipped with heads-up display so you can mainly focus on driving without looking on your display. So guys, dun tayo sa likod, sa second row niya para mas ma-explain ko naman yun sa inyo. So, si Kia Carnival also has a automatic doors. So, sobrang luxurious nga ni Kia Carnival. With the press of a button, magko-close na yung iyong doors. Hindi ka na mahirapan na ma-manual mo siyang isasara because Kia Carnival has a tough body. When I say tough body, ibig sabihin matibay siya. Gawa siyang matibay talaga. So, mabigat yung kanyang mga doors, even the body itself. Si Kia Carnival, of course, the second row niya is a premium relaxation seats. So what that means is you also have a heated ventilated seats for the second row, and of course full powered din siya. When I say full powered, you can recline your seats using pressing a button, and of course si Kia Carnival also has a footrest. And of course, si Kia Carnival, since isa siyang premium MPV, meron siyang sunshades. And you have also here your 12 volts for additional accessories or charging ports kung gusto maglagay. And then you have two Type-C embedded on the front seats. So, most comfortable when you're using your phone, you need to charge, or you're using your laptop, you need to charge. You can access it very comfortably. So guys, dito naman tayo sa likod ni Kia Carnival. So before ko buksan, bago nyo makita yung kanyang likod, showcase ko lang din yung star map taillights ni Kia Carnival. So as you can see, it's a full LED bar together with your side taillight. And of course, si Kia Carnival also has the automatic tailgate or smart tailgate. So automatic si tailgate niya. Every time with the press of a button, bubukas siya. Wala kang kahirap-hirap. Together with, if isasara mo siya, press of a button, it will close down. For the compartment itself, plus 7 to 8 seater configuration ni Carnival, panalong-panalo ka na. Because you have your family at the same time, you also have enough storage for you and your family when traveling. So, to put it down, hihilahin mo lang yung kanyang third row seats. So, smart key si Kia Carnival yung kanyang susi. So, which means you can open and close both automatic doors, left and right. And of course, open your automatic tailgate using your key. You can also remote start the unit using your key. So, anytime na nasan ka, basta't hawak mo to, pwede mo na siya i-start para lumamig na yung unit mo. So, kung gusto mo ma-experience si Carnival here, visit us here at Jose Abad Santos Avenue, City of San Fernando, Pampanga at our dealership, Kia Pampanga, and experience the premium MPV that moves your world.